Alright. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex here again. And, whoops. Today, we are looking at an Electrohome. This is an Electrohome. Although this looks very much like the Lakweood P23. I acquired this fan from Facebook Marketplace last October. It's been a great fan. It's in really nice condition. It's very clean aside from a few missing slats. But aside from that, it's pretty much mint. I'm going to take it off the tripod so you get a closer look. I'm filming with a Sony Handycam just to try it out. So let's take a closer look at it. Here's the smaller knob. It's got 3 speeds. It's got a nice handle. I still need to clean it up a little bit. I haven't really done that thoroughly. So here's a few of the missing slats. There's like 5 missing slats. I do need to clean the grill a little bit too. And here's the beautiful blade that I still need to clean as well. This is not really a pre-restoration video, but it's kind of a fan I've had hanging around for quite a while. Like I've used it. It's got a Macmillan motor with the square stator. Here's the back of it. I put the grill like that just because, I don't know, it looks cool. And you can see the model sticker is, see, you can zoom it. Yep, there we go. So, model number 652-1-C, 2.7 amps. Electrohome Limited, Kitchener, Ontario, Canada. So that's a sticker on the bottom, but this is very obviously like a Lakweood, because there's a Lakweood engineering and manufacturing emblem on the side here. I'm not too sure if you guys see it, but because it's kind of blocked off with this frame that's holding the motor. But yeah, this is a really beautiful unit in kind of a teal cabinet finish. So yeah, let's start it up. Let's line it up, and okay, let's start with a demo on low. I'm going to move it to the side. My windows are open and you could kind of hear what's happening outside, so perhaps you may not hear the fan completely. I hope you guys can hear the sound it makes. It makes a wonderful sound. this is the perfect sound for sleeping. Let's bump it up to medium. Wow, I feel a lot of air. There's a pretty drastic difference between low and medium. And, like, no, I feel tons of air rushing here. And it's not like direct airflow like with the Vornados and other like high velocity fans. This is more of like a breeze. It gives more of a breeze than an actual like it shooting airflow. Alright, let's bump it up to high. Oh my god. This is insane. It really moves the air, it really spreads it too. I feel like it moves as much air as if you were like 10 inches away, and like if you were like 10 feet away. This sounds like an air conditioner. Alright, let's do spin down. And of course, there's going to be an obligatory startup from 0 to high. Because you guys know how beautiful the harmonics are on these fans. Now, the spin down was not the best. The front bearing, I don't know, something's going on with it, because it always makes a little, something's rubbing against somewhere. There's like some friction going on. Alright, well here's 0 to high. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful demonstration of this Electrohome box fan model 652-1-C. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one, in the next fan. Peace.